Welcome to Mara Cruises Solo. I'm Meredith, and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about all things solo cruising. Today I am on the Norwegian Star. I've just boarded the ship this morning. We are in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and I am on a 16-day cruise leaving today out of Buenos Aires, returning back to the same place. This cruise goes to South America and Antarctica. We are not getting off the ship in Antarctica, but we are cruising around some of the islands closest to the southernmost point of South America. And I'm going to bring you along with me. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please follow along, subscribe to my channel because I have many other videos that I'll be bringing to you. But this video is just going to be of my cabin. So this is my stateroom on the Norwegian Star. This is cabin 9116. It is a balcony stateroom. I am traveling solo, of course, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a room tour just to show you what this cabin looks like. Because I just boarded today, it is freshly made up. None of my stuff has been moved in yet, but I wanted to give you a detailed look at what you can expect on the Norwegian Star in a balcony room. This is cabin 9116. As you enter, you'll see that there is a light switch here where you can control the lights. And unlike many of Norwegian's other ships, there is not a place to put a card in to activate the electricity, so that actually is quite different than all of their other ships. So this is a view from the entryway. Directly to your right, you have a little cubby hole here with a safe. And then you have laundry bags here, which I will definitely be using on this 16-day cruise. Life jackets up above, and then additional storage over to the right. This is where you have plenty of hangers to hang clothing, which I will certainly be doing, as that is only one of my bags. I still have another larger suitcase that will be delivered soon. Plenty of storage here. And then over to the right, we have a mini fridge. This is really just a cooler to keep beverages cold. I like to put my waters in there. You can see that I've already had the waters that I ordered delivered to my stateroom. And also because I am a Norwegian Latitudes member, I have perks, and one of those perks is 2 additional waters. They are the smaller ones, but those come in the cabin when I arrive. And then down below there's lots of drawer space here, so a lot of room for you to store additional items. And then there's the trash bin here, one of my bags. A mirror, here's the hair dryer. And then there's pretty good amount of space to walk on the side of the bed. A lot of times the bed is really close to the wall and there's not a lot of room between the bed and the counters, but there's plenty of space in here. Here's a floor-length mirror as well. And then there's a bedside table. And the light switch does have a USB as well as a button for on and off switch. The USB is really, really helpful, and I believe that there is one on both sides. Yes. So you have the option to plug 2 different items in on each side of the bed. Both lights have the USB. There's a couch, and this does pull out into a full-size bed or a large twin-size bed if you're traveling with a third person. And this cabin does not have another bed space, so really this cabin specifically is made for only 3 people. However, I'm traveling solo, so I will just have the bed made up the way that it is here in a king size, although it can be split into 2. So if you are traveling with 3 people who didn't want to share any space, this king size bed can be split into 2 large twins. And then we have the television over here. And this can angle to face either the couch, or you can turn it to face a large bed. And then there's a little bit more storage over here. There's a seat underneath, so you could use this as a desk if you needed to, which I probably will at some point during this cruise need to use that as a desk to do some work. And then the best part of all, the balcony. Very spacious balcony. Just pull down on this handle to unlock. So plenty of space out here in the balcony. 2 chairs and a table. Lots of room. And a clear balcony screen. And this is a view of the port in Buenos Aires. Now, as I said, I am in cabin 9116, and I believe this cabin is on the starboard side, which is the right side of the ship. Now, I did want to point out that there is a light switch here, which can function as a vanity. And then I want to show you the bathroom as well. So this switch out here is the lights for the bathroom. And on this ship, you can see that the toilet area is its own separated space. And there is a door here that slides shut. So if you are sharing this cabin with another person, it adds just another layer of privacy. And then there's a large sink here in the middle. You have hand soap here, shelf space here, sharps container if needed. There's also a magnified mirror right here, which is a nice perk. I've not seen that on any other ships. And here is the shower. Now the shower head is detachable and adjustable, so you can raise the height higher or lower. And there are two dispensers in here. One is body wash and the other is a combination conditioner and shampoo. If you're like me and have long hair, you need to bring your own conditioner because this does not suffice. It's a pretty spacious shower and it looks like it's been recently updated. I think this ship was renovated in 2021. Tissue dispenser on the wall here, and then down below you have the trash bin there, plenty of extra towels, and that's it for the bathroom. One other thing I didn't talk about was the air conditioning unit. So you can see on the wall here, this is right next to the bathroom. There is an adjustable temperature control as well as two hooks to use to hang items. I will tell you this, having cruised on Norwegian many times, don't touch the snowflake. The snowflake is a temporary cool function and then it shuts off the whole unit. So really all you need to do is adjust from these arrows and that will keep your temperature set at the level that you choose. Just pretend like this doesn't exist. So that's the tour of cabin 9116 on the Norwegian Star. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing you lots more cruising content, especially of this cruise, 16 days around South America and Antarctica. Thanks so much for watching and happy cruising.